Well, we've asked them to accelerate whatever they're doing in terms of a vaccine.
A video lauding praise on his response to COVID-19, selectively using the words of some Democratic governors while attacking the press.
I've never seen a video like that played in this room.
I give you hundreds of clips just like that. We have them. We didn't want this to go on too long, but I just want to say it's, it's very sad when people write false stories like, in that case, I guess it was gotten mostly from the New York Times, which is a highly, if you had libel laws, they would have been out of business even before they'll end up going out of business.
What most irked President Trump was a New York Times expose published this past Saturday detailing the failings of his administration's response despite multiple warnings of the coming calamity. Despite those red flags, President Trump continued to downplay the impacts of the virus, even after making the decision to limit travel from China in late January. His decision to provide guidance on social distancing only came in the middle of March, leading to this exchange.
You bought yourself some time. You didn't use it to prepare hospitals. You didn't use it to ramp up testing. Right now, nearly 20 million people are unemployed.
It's so disgraceful the way you say that.
What did you do with the time that you bought?
Look. You know you're a fake. You know that. Your whole network, the way you cover it, is fake. We've done this right, and we really have done this right. The problem is the press doesn't cover it the way it should be.
As the governors of 7 northeastern states, including New York and New Jersey, and separately the 3 western states of California, Washington and Oregon, pledged to work together in a regional coalition to fight the virus and coordinate the reopening of their states, leading to a possible clash with the White House.
He left it to the states to close down, and that was a state-by-state decision. Without any guidance, really, he took the position that it was a state's decision, and then the states were responsible for purchasing supplies, et cetera. It is an interesting construct that it wasn't the federal responsibility to close the economy, but it is the federal government's responsibility to open the economy. If it's your authority to open, why wasn't it your authority to close, right? That's an obvious question.
But Trump believes it's the president that calls the shots on reopening.
When somebody's the president of the United States, the authority is total. And that's the way it's got to be.
The authority's total.
It's total. It's total. And the governors know that. Thank you all very much.
The president expected to announce members of a new economic task force later Tuesday as the death toll nationwide continues to ease since a peak this past weekend, with officials indicating the worst might be over in the country's epicenter, while urging that social distancing continues. Sherwin Bryceby's SABC News.